السلام عليكم متابعينا الأعزاء، إن شاء الله تكونوا بصحة وعافية. اذكروا الله وصلوا على النبي. اليوم إحنا أمام كافيه دار للفطار والقهوة اليمنية.
It's here in Canton, Michigan. We're going to try it out today to get some Yemeni coffee.
السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا بكم في دار يمني برانش اند كافي بكانتون ميشيغان. اليوم بناخذكم بجولة صغيرة حول المحل إن شاء الله.
It looks amazing, mashallah. And you do Yemeni and American breakfast?
Yes, so we're gonna have some Yemeni items in the menu and some American items breakfast in the menu, so we could have an options for everybody.
Mashallah.
Whether you're Yemeni or American, you come and you can eat something.
That's amazing. Both together, yeah.
Both together.
And
but
of course,
we're gonna try our best to focus in the Yemeni brunch and Yemeni breakfast because that's our specialty.
Right.
But we just want to have an option for other people too.
Inshallah.
If you come with a friend or family and they want to eat pancake or French toast, we have that.
Right. But they can also try the authentic Yemeni breakfast.
Yeah, always. We recommend that.
And of course, the Yemeni coffees.
Yeah, the Yemeni coffee. Yemen is rich with flavors and the spices and food. So we want to introduce this stuff to people. You know?
That's amazing, yeah.
We want to show them what the Yemeni culture looks like.
That's the best way, yeah, inshallah.
With food, it's the best way.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we'll walk you guys inside.
All right. MashaAllah.
So this drawing represents the Yemeni village.
Yeah.
It has a masjid, it has the sur, and it has the door. It's like in Bab al-Yemen.
Exactly. MashaAllah.
And this tree represents the Malkha al-Akhawin. This is a tree only exists in Yemen.
Yes, Socotra.
Socotra, yeah. Trying to showcase some of them.
Streets of Yemen, sir.
Yeah, and this is Dar al-Hajar.
MashaAllah.
So the coffee shop or the brunch house called Dar. So we have that Dar here. You can see it. And
for the name. MashaAllah. It is beautiful.
And
it's cozy, welcoming.
Yeah,
you feel at home.
Yeah, these windows, they exist in Yemen a lot. So we're trying to bring some of the cultures from Yemen to showcase it to the customer and to the people.
Wallahi, you walk in, you feel a taste of Yemen. You feel it's comfortable, cozy.
Okay, mashallah. It's called the Qamariya.
The window?
Yeah.
Al-Qamariya.
Yeah. It says in there the Yemeni hospitality.
In the Arabic?
Yeah, it says the love of Yemeni is hospitality. Al-Karam huwa lughat al-hubb al-Yemeni.
MashaAllah.
We show our love through food.
And this is
through welcoming people, so through being generous. You know what I'm saying?
It's the motto for the shop.
Yeah, it's a motto for the Yemeni.
For the Yemeni people.
Yemeni breakfast, coffee, power.
Amazing, mashallah. I can't wait to taste the coffee.
MashaAllah. القمرية اليمنية. MashaAllah. دار الحجر تقريبا صنعاء القديمة. المكان لحاله جميل ما شاء الله، تحسه يجمع بين الحضارة والحداثة والحضارة اليمنية أيضا. ما شاء الله، اللهم بارك. محظوظين أنتم أصحاب ميشيغان، دلعوا لكم. شايف يا أندرو؟ ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن. مطعم جميل، كافيه جميل، تشوف يجمع بين عبق الحضارة والطعم اليمني الأصيل. الديكور مميز، جلسة عربي ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن. لسه فاتحين شجرة دم الأخوين سقطرى، لابد من سقطرى وإن طال السفر. ما شاء الله. منين أنت؟ من فين أنت؟ يمني.
يمني.
Mafawar? Traditional, yeah?
Turkish coffee.
Yes.
Yes, very hot.
Yeah, right. And traditional Yemeni coffee.
It's not 100%, so you have to wait till.
شبيه القهوة التركية.
أيوة.
أشهر المشروبات اليمنية.
ما شاء الله.
Smells amazing already.
ما شاء الله. إن شاء الله يكون فرعكم الثاني في وست فيرجينيا، في فيرجينيا الغربية.
Inshallah here. Everybody come enjoy Yemeni coffee in Canton, Michigan.
Now we're gonna have Andra tasting the Dar Yemeni coffee مفور.
Mafawar, صح?
Yeah.
Bismillah. It smells fantastic. MashaAllah. Bismillah. Ya salam. MashaAllah.
Ya salam salam.
This would go fantastic with pancake.
Pancake, toast, and
what's the Yemeni food go best with this?
Fool, fasoliyah, kalaba.
Fool, MashaAllah.
Tabbak. There's a lot of Yemeni food.
Kahwa wa fool.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
and the Yemeni rashush, the bread.
You tried
that?
Yes, it's
the big
delicious.
one.
MashaAllah.
Nice.
This would be excellent breakfast. So when is this amazing place opening?
We're looking forward opening in Ando, inshallah.
End of July, inshallah.
Yeah, so inshallah by August 1st we should be open.
Inshallah. So be looking forward for beginning of August. Come on down to Dar.
Come to Dar, taste the real Yemeni food, you know.
And what are your hours hoping to be?
We're looking to start like from 8 in the morning until 5 brunch.
Okay.
And then from 5 to 9 is just going to be coffee and, refreshers and mojitos and all that stuff.
So come in the morning for brunch and then
Come
afternoon
in the morning
for the
for breakfast, and we're going to have some American options for people who like to eat American food.
Yeah. Come on down to Dar Yemeni Brunch and Coffee, and the address is 1723 South Haggerty in Canton, Michigan.
By the MCWS Masjid. Assalamu alaikum حبايبنا وأهلنا في ميشيغان وفي كانتن خاصة. شرفونا إن شاء الله في نهاية شهر 7 بافتتاح الدار يمني برانش اند كافي. نتمنى حضوركم وإن شاء الله يعجبكم الأكل والتجربة، وبنحاول بقدر الاستطاع أن نخلي تجربتكم تكون إن شاء الله طيبة. نهاية شهر 7 بداية 8 إن شاء الله. عنوان المحل جنب مسجد MCWS على البلازا اللي فيها CVS.
يلا تعالوا.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
Do you mind sharing your experience or what do you think about your Yemeni brunch and coffee here?
Yeah, sure. The people in the community here is so good in Canton. It's like this cafe will bring people together. I feel like I'm gonna enjoy my time here. Join us when we open. Come to Dar Yemeni Brunch and Coffee. You're gonna have a good time here.
Come on down to Dar Brunch for amazing atmosphere, delicious coffee, amazing food, fantastic service. The people here are friendly, helpful. If you don't know much about Yemeni food, Yemeni coffee, they'll be more than happy to help you learn. It's a great way to get a taste of Yemen right here in Michigan. So come on down. It's here in Canton, Michigan. Come on down and try some Yemeni coffee, some Yemeni breakfast foods, especially if you've never tried them before.
شرفونا في الافتتاح في دار للصبوح اليمني والقهوة، واستمتعوا بمذاق الطعم اليمني الأصيل والأجواء اليمنية المتميزة اللي تحضر لكم اليمن إلى أمريكا. شرفونا وإن شاء الله تجدوا خدمة ممتازة وتجدوا ما يسركم.